Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all well. Welcome to my freebies advent calendar 2025. If you are familiar with my channel, every year we do this amazing month, which in December I will share 25 freebies, one freebie a day to celebrate the Christmas Advent countdown. So I will share with you guys the freebie for today. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel in a way that you won't miss any other day. Okay, let's take a look at today's freebie. 5th of December, day number 5. Freebie number 5. Love this one. This freebie here has been designed from one of this paper from the month from a VIP lounge subscription. What is my VIP lounge subscription? Every month, once you join, you get lots of papers, gift box, background, discount codes, etc. It's basically a monthly subscription that I do offer on my website. I will show you everything in just a minute, but today this is the freebie. It's a lovely background. As you can see, it's like quite vintagey. I use like a typewriter, Father Christmas, etc. Let me showcase, in case you wish to join, the VIP papers for the month of December. These are the papers for the VIP lounge membership for the month of December. The VIP lounge is a monthly membership that you can see on my website, where every month you get digital papers, you have a little gift from me, you have a little gift box template, you have 30% off everything on my website, and this discount code lasts your life. So it lasts for the month, the subscription. So the first kit that you get is called Christmas Splendor. Okay, so I love it. It's probably one of my favorite. So you've got a page with a very large tags. You have a lovely red snowflakes background, some little embellishments. I love playing with this. I tried to create some embellishment that kind of goes with all theme of Christmas. So you've got a pink Christmas, a sweet Christmas, like your traditional bubbles, your gingerbread biscuits, your wreaths. So love those. These are amazing. Fussy cut them as well. You get 2 large bubbles, one with a lovely owl there and one with the bell, and as you can see, it's got like tartan in it, so they match it. So with this, you simply fussy cut it and hang them on your tree. You can use them as gift tag, you can use them as a present topper, or you can put like a little gift card inside. You can do anything that you want. Another one with the rocking horse and a little polar bear. Look at him, look how cute it is. And this time I put a tartan bows on top. Another page with all these lovely ephemera, again tartan theme. So all my papers always are mixed and matched, so you can use them as a very large kit. This super cute fussy cut embellishment are very versatile. You can use them with any projects. Look at him. Okay, you've got gingerbread house. Then you get some ephemera. So you've got a couple of embellishment there, a little tag, and some kind of like Victorian embellishment in there. Some poinsettia. So I have designed this to be used singularly, but also you can layer them up. Okay, so you've got some lovely embellishments on top of them. It wouldn't be my kit without some stamps. As you guys know, I am obsessed with 4 vintage stamps. So these are ready made for you. You just need simply follow the cutting lines there and make tons and tons of Christmas stamps. Some circle embellishments. These will make amazing dangles. You know, if you put some like a little bell on the bottom or little jingles, yeah, very versatile. It's got all different Santas. This is a little gift box. It's a gingerbread house. You simply put this together. That's the top and that's the base. I think it looks like that. You can use this as you can put some chocolate coins inside because it's quite large. See, this is the side. It's very large. So you can print this on cardstock. Then you have a large nutcracker with some envelopes addressed to Santa Claus or the North Pole. This is super cute for like kids, or if you put like you can cut this and use as a money wallet, you know, to put your cash. And last but not least is a collection of tags. I get 3 different styles and then some little tags on the bottom. Okay. My gift to you this month is a mini collection. So this is a little gift from me that you get every month. So this month's gift is a collection. It's called Under the Sea. Okay. So this is inspired about the nautical sort of theme. So you get one background with the maps there and the flowers. This with the knots and the turtles. This with the seashells and the flower. I love the combination of flowers and seashell personally. And you've got some maps. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a map on the background. And this one is my favorite. When you've got the seashells and the flowers with the vintage maps and portrait on the bottom. Okay, so this is a little gift that you get as well. And then last but not least, you get gift box. So we are on letter T. We've done all the letters from the alphabet, from letter A to the letter T. So you get a little assembly instruction. This is probably the easiest letter to put together because the letter T, you've got the front and the back, which are exactly the same, and then the tabs to put it on the side. So it looks like this. Okay. So this is the template. This is page 1. This is page 2. So this is the front or the back, you decide. And then because I had this kind of like half page empty, I designed an additional gift box. It's like a pillowcase. So you simply, again, print, follow the score lines. This is the tab. I'm going to show you what this looks like when it's all done up. This is what the pillow box looks like when it's all done up. It's super cute. It's quite big because it's the same size as my hand. Okay, so you've got a lovely title there. And then that's what the letter T looks like. And as you can see, it stands up perfectly. Okay, so it's super, super cute. Okay, let me show you all the alphabet that we've done so far. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I. And each letter, of course, is different. Depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, letter O, P with a lovely lion, love that. That's the back with a swan. Q with the 12. R, which is very nice and autumnal. S, lovely like velvet florally, and then T. Now let me show you where to find today's freebie. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. So if you go to my website, AntonioMakes.com, just here on the top, you recognize it because there is a butterfly there. I just give my website a little revamp. So these are the bundles. Okay, so if you click over without even clicking, it gives you a little preview. Okay, so these are the 12 bundles. That's including my ebook. And with my ebook, you get a free planner as well. My VIP lounge. My VIP lounge membership now is only £2 a month. Imagine the joy of opening a treasure chest each month. Inside, you'll find exclusive digital papers you won't get anywhere else. Beautifully curated to inspire your junk journal, cards, planners, and creative project. Each bundle is a surprise, a spark, a moment of magic made just for you from me. And every month, of course, is different. Don't miss out. Every month, a brand new exclusive collection of digital papers is released, crafted to inspire and delight. These designs are never repeated. Once they're gone for good. Yeah, because it changes every month. So what do you get? You get 30% discount across everything on my website. So including all my bundles and physical journals. Digital papers that, of course, I will send it to you each month to your email address. And a gift box template and a private video, of course, that shows you how to make it. So you can pay £2 a month, which is less than the price of a coffee, or you can just do one yearly membership price. You just pay once and you get them for 12 months. And then if you scroll here, you see all the feedback from the VIP members and what they say about the papers they get each month. And here, my little thank you note to every single one of them. Don't forget to pop over my Facebook group to download the freebie. And I will see you tomorrow for another fabulous freebie. We got 25 days, don't forget, until Christmas Day. Okay, guys, before we go, don't forget, for the full month of December, so from the 1st up to the 31st, you can get 20% off absolutely everything on my website. That's including the journals I made, all my bundles, digital papers, and the ebooks, as well as my yearly VIP lounge subscription as well. So everything that I have on my website is 20% off. You just need to use the code Christmas, like XMAS, at checkout. When you check out, there is a discount code section and you just type XMAS and I will give you absolutely 20% off everything. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching, guys, and I will see you tomorrow for an amazing freebie.